Hello friends, welcome back to the Ice and Share channel. In this video, I will show you 7 ways to open disk management in Windows 10. Way 1. Open it from the Quick Access menu. Right-click the Windows logo. Select Disk Management from the list. Now you can access disk management. Way 2. Access disk management via Run. Press on Windows and R keys together to open Run dialog. Type diskmount.msc and click OK. The disk management is opened instantly. Way 3. Open disk management in computer management. Right-click this PC and choose Manage. Then you can select disk management on the left. Way 4. Open disk management via direct search. Type disk manage in the search box. Then click the best match option. OK. Click Create and format hard disk partitions. Then the disk management comes. Way 5. Open disk management with Run command. Type diskmount.msc in the search box. Click it from the search result. OK, the disk management is opened. Way 6. Open disk management via command prompt. Type cmd in the search box to open command prompt. Execute diskmount. Now you can see the disk management window. Way 7. Turn disk management on via Windows PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell via searching. Type diskmount and hit enter. You can see the disk management now. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.